The Meghalaya Police organised a one-day state-level conference on anti-human trafficking at the State Convention Centre held here on Friday. The objective of the seminar was to meet the objective to sensitizing the officers of various government departments, including police of the states and union territories. While speaking on the inaugural function of the seminar, Meghalaya State Commission for Protection of Child Rights Chairperson Yamonlang Same stated the accurate and authentic data is very critical to coordinate efforts to hunt down on hotspots or any suspicious areas where cases of human trafficking are reported. Director General of Police L.R. Bishnoi observed that there are few cases being reported of anti-human trafficking in the state. According to him, there is a problem to have authenticated data since many cases go unreported.
Regarding the push factors, the socio-economic factors and so on, and the offers, and the people are vulnerable. By the way, how do we know that the people are vulnerable? The predators, they know, because they have observation points, where they observe who are the vulnerable. And so they prey on the vulnerable.